A total of 320 kg ganja was seized on a truck bearing UP25FT-2322 on Wednesday night going to the outside state with the help of the secret information. Mungiakami police arrested the truck driver. The market value of the seized ganja is rupee 32 lakhs, said Telamara SDPO Prashun Kanti Tripura.
Đây cái con tùng của không hả?
Once again, with the initiative of Telamara SDPO Prashun Kanti Tripura with the help of secret sources, a truck vehicle going outside state number UP25FT-2322 caught 320 kg of dry weight on Wednesday night. Mungiakami police has arrested the truck driver. The cost of dry weight will be worth 32 lakhs, says the Telamara SDPO Prashun Kanti Tripura. According to the details, Telamara SDPO Prashun Kanti Tripura got some secret information that truck vehicle UP25FT-2322 going outside state and taking lot of dry weight. After the information, with the initiative of SDPO Prashun Kanti Tripura and Mungiakami police has sit on a vehicle checking post at Asamagatala road of 41 Mile village. On the initial time, truck vehicle number UP25FT-2322 has reached Telamara. The truck was covered with bamboo. 32 packets dry weight was hidden inside truck. 320 kg of dry weight was there in 32 packets. After the incident, Mungiakami police has arrested the truck driver. The cost of dry weight will be worth 32 lakhs, says the Telamara SDPO Prashun Kanti Tripura.
Tini kaisa khobor mangkha naka checking khai tongma jrani sikang no je kaisa malkhungo gaja pasarong nai wani tola phobui hangka khobor manai ang information share khaika ani osi Mungiakami bai staff rok no hangka gari na jeng malkhungka sokoi jenga gari na check khaika check khaimani yagulo jeng gari theka prai 320 kg siddhi mangkha jetani bazar mullo prai 30 lakh ongnai hangkai je malkhung chaloknai bongka Uttar Pradesh ni Nandan Kumar Patil hone boni mong 30 bosor bo boyos bo ayang Agartala bypass ni simi ayang Biharat lang na tongmani hana UP Biharat lang tongmani mal hangkai jenga mal no siddhi no jeng sis khlaika tai daiba no jeng arrest khlaika hangkai NDPS ni raida mote jeng bono khana kodo chalan dinai bini against to action nawi.
Under the act of NDPS, an FIR was filed against them and they will be taken to district court on Thursday. Likewise, who else are in connection to them, police are searching. Reported by Hiranmoy from Telamara, Chini Khorang.